This is a 2005 Chevy TrailBlazer, two-wheel drive, one owner with 50,000 miles. Yes, 50,000 original miles. One owner in absolutely wonderful condition. Alloy wheels, brand new tires. It needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Tow package. Very, very good condition. As you can see, you will be lucky to find a door ding in it. Gray cloth interior is like new, original floor mats, all original keys and manuals. $50,000 miles. The screen does not like that, it's from the video. Power windows, locks, mirrors, and cruise. No rips, stains, or wear marks, no sagging headliner. Absolutely in remarkable condition. You could definitely tell this has 50,000 miles and it's a one owner. So, a 2005 Chevy TrailBlazer, two-wheel drive, one owner, 50,000 original miles in absolutely remarkable condition for its age.